Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, let's talk about what to do after pumping, how to store expressed breast milk safely. Once you've finished using your manual breast pump, carefully pour the expressed milk into a clean storage bottle or breast milk storage bag. Be sure to label the container with the date and time so you can easily keep track of when the milk was expressed. Store the milk according to recommended breast milk storage guidelines. If you plan to use it soon, it may be stored in the refrigerator. If it won't be used for a longer period, freezing may be an option based on current storage recommendations. Try to avoid repeatedly warming and cooling the same milk, as following proper handling practices helps maintain quality. Always use clean containers and handle expressed milk with clean hands. Every family's routine is different, but good storage habits can help make feeding more organized and convenient. If you have questions about breast milk storage or handling, consult your healthcare provider or a certified lactation consultant. Thanks for watching, and follow for more breastfeeding